want to know a secret? You are stemming your Sola Flowers wrong.
Hey there, welcome to Sola Flower University. You bring the flowers, I bring the how. So today we are going to be learning how to stem flowers. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Help us build our floral empire. So, first things I'm going to show you is the way that most people stem their flowers, which is wrong, and I'll show you why. And then I'm going to show you the correct way to stem your flowers, which is a lot more secure and will last longer. So let's head right into it. All right, so in order to stem your flowers the normal way, you need a wire flower, obviously, and a hot glue pot, which looks like this. So the hot glue pot, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your wire and you're gonna dip it into the hot glue and you're gonna stab your flower. And then this is when most people stop. This is also the official way that they show you on the Sola Wood Flower website. And that's great and all, but the only problem is that happens. Your flower becomes unstemmed very easily. So I'm going to show you the correct way to do it, which you do start with that step. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to dip my wire in the hot glue, and then I'm going to stab my flower. Hang on. There we go. So flower stabbed. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the floral tape. All right, we're going to dip it in the hot glue. So I'm going to take it, dip it in the hot glue, then put it directly onto the flower base. And then we're going to wrap around using a pen. I'm going to take some more hot glue, spread it on the flower, push the tape down. Now the point is to make sure that this tape is nice and glued down on the base of the flower, because this is going to be some extra strength to keep your flower onto that wire. So after you've got it glued down onto the base of the flower, you're going to take your floral tape and you're going to start wrapping. Got all these extra hot glue strings. Okay. So okay, now it's all wrapped up like so. And then I'm gonna just take just a little bit of hot glue and just make sure it's all secure. That tape's not gonna come undone on me. And then I'm gonna pull off the extra strings. All right, now this flower is a lot more secure. Let me show you. Like, I'm yanking it fairly good and it's not coming undone. So this is going to be a lot more secure for your bouquets, a lot more secure for your little centerpieces, for like gift to grandma. This is the better way to do it. Now, if you have a flower that has a little bit of a bottom to it, like this flower does, instead of gluing it to just straight on the bottom, you'll actually glue it to this part up here and wrap the flower. I don't know if you can see that. Wrap the base of the flower some, and then wrap the wire down. Make sure that you still glue it down though, to make sure it doesn't come undone on you, and you will still have that same security like that. So I want to know, what do you think? How do you stem your flowers? Will you do this, or do you think this is a bad idea? Tell me in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts. And that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to click on maybe this video or this video over here, and we'll have some more tutorials on Sola Flowers. And we've got a lot coming down the pipe. Pretty soon here, we're going to be showing you how to put together an entire bridal bouquet. And so make sure you have that subscribe and bell notifications turned on so you can watch that. That's all I have. Have a great day, and don't forget, stay creative. Bye!